Alright, we're back, everybody. Back in it to win it. Um, Found some things on the map here. Apparently there's a vendor up above us, the bounty board, fishing hole, because apparently fishing's the thing. That's interesting. Fishmonger, some treasure chests stashed away here that we want to definitely go collect. But there's also the rumor monger. Not sure what they do. But there's an achievement for talking to him or something. I don't know. So we're gonna find all this out here. Oh my god, fine. You get some items for your inventory inventories in exchange for gold currency. You can always buy it back later. Oh, was that it? Oh, okay. Cool. Excuse me. What was I saying? Oh, so it made me a little nervous when I found out that there's been a bunch of games made by Riot Forge. It's been a bunch of League of Legends story games. Most of them seem like these tiny little things that, just like, technically it's a game. Okay. So hopefully this isn't just a little like one and done, there's not really a whole lot of meat to the game kind of thing. And hopefully they flesh this out. Because it looks more fleshed out and better than all the other little, well, it looks like little tiny games that they made. But who knows? So, there you go. But yeah, I'm just going to continue going on with this bad boy. Pretty sure I didn't want this one, right? Yeah, because the huge decrease in attack power. Yeah, because it's just bonus damage. Yeah. So we're probably going to sell that one. And we don't really need the tarnished idol. So, sell that as well. I don't think we'll need it. So that's only 4. It's not very expensive. Want that. Want those pieces as well. Good, good, good. Let's check out this giant bounty board. Sure. Collection of elusive enemies. You must find and defeat. When a bounty target is known, it will be added to the quest log. You can search for them. As explore sometimes by revisiting old areas with new capabilities. Once a bounty target has been eliminated, return to the bounty board and claim their unique reward. New bounties will appear as the story progresses. Conniving opportunist has been kicking up problems around Grey Harbor. In stubborn defiance to Captain Fortune's will, Malik has reunited the jagged hooks and somehow managed to lurk among the deadly mists of the harbor. His swift removal would be greatly appreciated and a service to the loyal citizens of Bilgewater. Okay, that'd be pretty important there. Yeah, that pen looks like a trinket of some kind, and there's yeah, there's that currency up there in the top right. I remember looking at it. I forgot what it's called, like black iron or something like that. I can't remember. But yeah, we get some of that. We get a bunch of monies. All right, cool. So I think once we get, I assume we're about to get Misfortune in our group, and I assume it's going to be a Lowry Brown and Misfortune for a little while. Is my guess. So once I get her in my crew, well, maybe go try to track that down. Sounds good. You just buy shit, right? So go purchase multiple quantities. That's it? Okay. I didn't think of anything crazy. Sturdy shield made from steel. Is it? I assume that would be bronze, obviously. I assume that that'd be a Lowry's, but is there anything that tells me specifically this is for? Yeah, okay. Buff stunning blow. Oh yeah, that did happen once. I was remembering how did I stun, and yeah, that makes sense. Lower stamina, tons of defense and attack power would be pretty cool. Stamina, physical defense, magic defense. It's not horrible either. I would lose stunning blow. Even though, isn't that the same exact one I have? So why would I lose stunning blow? Weird. Alright, tap power still go down, tap power still go down. Weird. And buyback. Okay. Intriguing. I am of the intrigued. Let's go down to the Mong over there. See what we can get from these people. Then up here, you. Ruby. Hey, got the achievement. This vendor will sell you rumors about people and places, unlocking new side quests. That's pretty cool. New rumors appear as the story progresses. Owen has lost his brother under suspicious circumstances. Speak to him in the harbor near the jail to learn more. Interesting. Very interesting. Rest point here. Don't really need a rest, so we're good. Let's go over to that fishing point and shit and get that treasure and all that stuff. That sounds exciting. I wish you could have a map. Oops. A map while you're walking. That'd be kind of cool too, but whatever. It's fine. I don't fucking care. Oh, is there something that tells me? Oh yeah, unknown amounts of treasures. By the grotto there's two treasures. Think about rocking up there. Okay, I think that's those. Get all that monies. Specific key to open. What is this garbage? So this is a fishing spot?
Tell me, do they tell any stories of you? The great guru truth bearer?
I am but one of many truth bearers. There are no stories of me that I know. What of you? Do they tell your stories in the Freljord?
Of course they do. It is good to have myths, legends. The Freljord, oh, it is a land full of legends.
Some might even say it's a league of legends. Oh shit. Okay, no, fucking hilarious people. Please try to hold your plus. Ooh, white essence, very cool. Intriguing. Let's go down. It's kind of weird that there was just a random talk spot there. Oh, there's a hook. Fishmonger. You. Name's Leo. Everyone on this pier brings me the fish for good reason. It's a coin trade. Okay. Brother wares. Oh, fucking A. I think I got it. So I need to buy a fishing rod to fish for shit. And then I can sell the fish back for profit. I wonder if I can fish without a rod. You will find fishing holes. You must equip a rod and a lure to fish, I see. So while exploring, while in these locations, you are safe from enemies and combat encounters. To fish, walk up to the edge of the water and initiate your cast with the direction button. Once initiated the casting, power meter will display the cycle back and forth. Press the interact button again to cast your line. The distance you cast is based on how many times press button. Blah, 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 blah. When your line is out, simply wait for fish to approach and hook onto your lure. If you need, you can adjust your line by pressing the direction button to reel in gradually. When a fish is hooked on your line, you must reel them in by pressing the interaction button and moving in the opposite direction of the fish. Many fish will put up a fight and require you to wear them out before effectively reeling them in. The outer ring of the fishing meter is the fish stamina and will drain as the fish fights. The inner ring of the fishing meter is your line strength, which depletes as you fight the fish. Your line strength will deplete faster if the fish has stamina, so the key is to wear it out before reeling it in with the interact button. If your line strength is fully depleted, your line will break and the fish will get away. If you can successfully reel the fish back to the edge of the water, it will be caught. Once caught, the type of fish and the size will be revealed. The records can be viewed in a fishing journal. In some cases, you will catch a treasure instead of fish, which can be opened in the inventory to reveal additional rewards. Collect different types of fish, trade them with the fishmonger and the black mark. Blah, blah, blah. Rare and unique fish can be found at each of various fishing holes. Be sure to experiment with fishing equipment, which enhances your line's strength and ability to attract bigger and better fish. Holy fuckatash, dude. There's a lot of information for fishing. Not something I thought I'd be doing in this game. Let's buy a fish pool. Let's go do a little fishing. I mean, fuck it. Do we need multiple of these? I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? I don't give a fuck. Gonna be for profit, son. Gonna be for profit. There we go. Look at that fishing power. Excuse me. There we go. Alright. So. Okay. Got it. Okay. Why is fish putting up such a fight? What the shit? It has no stamina, right? Is that what the green bar is? Like, it had no stamina, it's just fucking me. I'm trying to pull the bitch in. I guess I still gotta adjust which way it's going. Okay, I think I get it now. Yeah, okay, I get it now. Okay, okay. Again. Got him! I got 2 medium fish chunks. Okay. I get it now. Ish. Okay, so it drains slower? On the what? Got it. Right, Timmy, right, Timmy, let's go. Ooh, neon jellyfish. Fascinating. Okay. Okay, that one didn't put up much of a fight at all. Blue flame bass. Okay. Fish on. Okay, this is much easier if I pull in the right direction. Oh, okay, yeah, I don't have to let it wear itself out really at all. Got Guppy. Very cool. Right on him, right on him. I see. Ooh, this one's a fighter. Got it. I understand what's happening now. Come on, bitch. Don't fight me. What? Get the fuck you mean he got away? He was at me. Don't tell me he was not at me. He was so at me. Okay. Is there anything that indicates treasure? Yeah, JV. A new record. Yeah. Oh, I got treasure. Ooh, all the treasure just overseas. Fuck yeah. It's kind of weird that the treasure was fighting me, but I'll take it. I think it was the last one. 'Cause unfortunately, the fighter got away. So sad about that. I don't see any more fish. So I guess we done here. We leave and come back, though. Does the fish respawn? I'm not going to continue fishing. At least not on camera. But I'm just curious. Is that a thing that happens? Looks like no. Oops, wrong button. Maybe it regens in time or something, I don't know. So, it doesn't look like I caught any fish. I just got fish chunks. What happened there? Oh, black marks, that's what they're called. Trade them for them. I also hear there's a huckster down at Baron's Rest Tavern, though I've never met him myself. Okay. So, I got chunks of fish, right? Can trade 5 large fish chunks for 1 black mark. I see. And 20 for 1 black mark. Got it. So that's what you trade fish for. Okay. Ooh, I got the blue flame anyways. That's interesting. A blue flame amulet. Fuck yeah, dude. Let's go. Okay, well now we know. 16 attack power. Holy shit. 2 stamina, 3 def, 10 health. Because of the 2 stamina. 10 magic diff. That's pretty sick, dog. That's pretty fucking sick. What does this do? Bonus damage and stamina. Whew, epic level, dog. Epic level. Do the same for honey pop here. 32, 14. That's a lot of health. For him. Yeah, 32, 14. Ooh. You know, I think we're gonna buff up Bromster here. We're gonna make Brom an unstoppable force. To be reckoned with, son. To be reckoned with. Yeah, it does not look like we can fish again. Okay, well that was kind of fun. Maybe we can come back later there and fish, who knows. But we got some... Excuse me? But we did get some really good mats from that chest there. And we just got some more good mats here. Man, we're just getting everything, dog. Abilities, equipment. What does Guardian Ring do? A bunch of bonus damage. We'll probably save that for yeah, assassin of some kind, like Ari or Misfortune or Yasuo, and see if we can just probably give that to one of them. There's treasure chest up there, but we can't get it. Nothing else around. There is something over there, but I don't think I can get there, can I? Let's see. I mean, it doesn't hurt to check, I guess. What's in here? Oh. Treasure chest. Don't be don't mind if I take this. Woo. Fuck yeah, dude, let's go. I think I understand how accessory buying works. Oh, I could buy one of those. Oh, is it for black marks? The collector. Tone knowledge. Very good, very good. Some skins. Very cool. Our key to the lighthouse. That'd be really good. So I can get that item and shit. Good to know. Good to know. I got something, right? Oh no, it was a bunch of mats. That's right. I wanted to look at enchanting. Let's see. Yeah, we didn't watch the tutorials do that. Enchanting equipment allows you to add special permanent buffs to them, a great way to gain upper hand in combat. Once enchantment recipe is known, it will appear in this grid. Enchantments can be applied to weapons and armor. Additionally, you can fuse items to increase their rarity and base stats. After you select an enchantment or infusion, you must then specify which weapon or armor in your inventory you'd like to apply to. These are the requirements. Required ingredients to create successful enchantment fusions. When enchanting, you must adjust the quality of each of the ingredients above or below the required amount. When doing this, you will see success chance meter increase and decrease. Attempting to enchant an item with fewer ingredients requires both a chance of success as well as failure. If enchantment fails, you will keep a weapon or armor but lose the ingredients. Alternatively, you may overflow the ingredients well beyond the requirements and guarantee the success of them. The more ingredients, the more higher the guaranteed chance would be. New enchantments and fusions will be discovered as you explore. Be sure to come back often to power up your gear. So, 17% chance of success. What does healer do? Increase healing power by 4.5%. Cannot overflow. This must be good to know. Increase life sterile healing by 158. Holy shit. Increase magic defense by 21 and attack power by 11. 20% chance of attack to poison the enemy with each hit, dealing 57 true damage over 3 turns. 20% chance to deal 22 damage on each hit. Not bad. Crit rating by 60. 20% chance on attack to create a damage shield with each hit. That's pretty fucking cool. Increase the amount of gold acquired from battle by 10%. Cannot overflow. Excuse me, I gotta keep drinking. My force is gonna go. And taking damage to create a damage shield. That's really good as well. Just double stacking weapon, armor, chance of taking and dealing damage to get a damage shield on Braum. That'd be pretty fucking cool. Increase amount of XP acquired from battle by 10%. Increase haste rating and evade rating. That could be really, really strong. Increase physical defense. Increase stamina. That's a lot of stamina. Increase haste rating. That's really nice. Increase all defense by 12. Deal 2 damage to attackers each time they hit the champion. Ah, Thornmail. Hell yeah. Rare infusion. Upgrades level 1 line equipment from uncommon to rare. Requires 100% of ingredients, which I do have, actually. I also have enough license to make it epic infusion for tier 1 equipment, of course. Very interesting. 37% from each hunter. Not bad. Interesting. So we still haven't found out if we can go over there yet. We need to do that. Can I get in the? Can I get the boat? Give me. Does not look like I can get in the boat. Oh well. I don't think there's anything else we can really do. So cool. I don't know if there's anything in the boathouse. Oh yeah, the grotto had some shit in it. I say let's go get Misfortune first. If we absolutely can, and then we'll come back. Hopefully we can come back after we get Misfortune, but yeah, that's the goal. You wanna fight, brother? This time, it's gonna cost you. You're not from Jagged Hookside, are you? You're not supposed to ride here. Your crew has means otherwise to get around. Kinda wanna fight him to test out Braum, but yeah. That's alright, I've learned how to tolerate it. He takes out a knife. Cool. Like, let's fucking go, dude. I ain't paying no fucking toll. Shielding. When a hazard or boon is not present, a wildcard initiative bar region will be. God fucking damn it. So, anyways, when enemy selected at the beginning of combat. Like hazards and boons, fighters that land within the region will be targeted and affected in the region. Cards can benefit all fighters, including enemies. Luckily, there are a number of champions such as Braum that can use abilities to push other fighters back on the initiative bar timeline into and out to the wildcard region. Every battle presents challenges and opportunities. Use them to the fullest. Okay. Looks like this dude needs to be broken. It's pretty standard. Yordle. That doesn't really look like much of a Yordle. Just evade attacks from balance and power. So you go fast to get deal with that douche. Got it. Shielding adds damage shield to all in the region, shielding 50% of the max HP. Ooh, we definitely want to get in there. I got a good position to see. Okay. So we got that one that will push. Interesting. We definitely want that. Let's go with the. Let's concuss this fucker. Oh! I don't know about that, Drew. Looks like no one's in there yet. I'm about to put myself in there, so that's good. Oh. Okay, he's not in, so that's good. Guess we'll just keep hitting them. Overcharge a little bit for when we need to shut people around. Ooh, that was a nice fucking crit. Nice shield. Slap, slap. I love it. Yeah. I mean, we'll just keep slapping these fools. They're not really that strong. Wow, absorbed most of that. Um, could do that. It would be completely nullified. Why not? Yo, stand behind me, dog. Ooh, concussion times 2. I don't know how long it takes to concuss somebody. Upon reaching 12 stacks, deals 15 magic damage. Okay, so it's 12 stacks. Interesting. Okay, he's not in. So that's good. Yo, stand behind me, bitch. I'm brown. Hell yeah.
Easy.
And she gets shielded again. Damn. Boy, man, he just did something. Dodge an attack and is about to perform a counterattack. Okay, so remember we leave him. Let's actually, since we got a lot built up for her, let's pop it like this. And my man here, my main man with the plan. I don't think he can counter this one. So let's give it to him. I also haven't been paying attention to the audience play. Oof. Yeah, that's good damage right there. Oof.
Therefore, knowing what to do, we must act.
Whew. I hit double kill. I just fucking landed that sick double right there. Not bad. So, how'd that go for y'all? Not very good, huh? Just mind my own business, please don't hurt me. Huh. Yeah, I didn't do that. I'm gonna just say that right now. I didn't do that shit. Down the stairs. Maybe I don't want to go down the stairs. Maybe I want to go explore it. 'Cause apparently that's what I do. Oh god, there's a lot of treasure here. And there's not a lot of lore. Yeah, there's a lot of lore pieces too. Damn, son. Yeah, we'll go downstairs eventually. We're gonna go grab some of this treasure first. No reason not to get all this damn free treasure. Nice, man. Just getting fucking loot for days. I don't care, it's not the way, bro. Money. Son, money. That's what I'm here for. There's some lore. I'm gonna grab the monies first. Assume I'm about the same. Yeah, I'm still the same health and everything. Let's grab this. 4 or 5. Oh, we'll have to grab the other ones first. I want to read number 4. I don't even have the other ones yet. That one's below me, huh? Yeah. Let's go this way first. Yeah. Okay. And plus it's the floor below me anyway, so. What's in here? Anything good in here? Hello. It's 4 pounds desk, random by stack of paper. There's a bit of built well alone. No, they can't be in because my name is. Are you taking out a loan? A loan, you know, I give you money to for more tomorrow. Just fine. As many, it's like how much money it's not like how much money though. Suddenly, like, so, wait, you all look intimidating. Would you mind going out around the clients of the financial responsibility? I pay you, of course. It would be, what do they call it? It's a win-win. Sure. I could jump for joy. One falls through his papers before pulling two particular notes. My two biggest clients are those people in this neighborhood. Nice woman is a harpooner down the slaughter docks. One thing, please don't hurt either of them. I wouldn't want to scare off potential customers. If you have any more questions, just ask. I mean, that's pretty cool, you know? He's like a friendly loan shark, you know? He doesn't want to hurt them. Just like, bitches owe me money. Motherfuckers need to pay up. Need to pay what they earn. Pay what they owe. That's what it is. Alright, let's go down. Give me my money. Is this money? Oh yeah, I have money. Okay. Vendor. Potion vendor, I see. We don't really need any of those. So that's the way there. Looks like there's another one over there. I think the person that lives in this neighborhood I need to shake down. Like, yo, you owe me some money. Yeah. Lustrous potion. What the fuck's a lustrous potion? Oh, mana and health. There we go. Wait, could I have gotten this way? You know, I knew that. Like, I was just testing the game. Truly. Oops. This doesn't take long.